welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing wonderful. And if you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Karina. This is a paper craft and also an organizational channel. So if you are interested in watching these type of videos, just click the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. And in today's video, I am doing an unboxing and a product review of the Sizzix, which is just a phenomenal tool. So let's go ahead and flip the camera so you can watch the unboxing of the product and the review of the product as well. This is what I ordered, and I got finally the Lori Whitlock back topper, finally, because I have like small back toppers from AliExpress, the one with the heart and a tiny little one and another one with a butterfly. So I definitely needed a big one, so I got that. And ta-da! I know I have the Vagabond, I have the Sizzix, I have a Cricut, but you know what? I needed something smaller. Something a small where I can, if I'm traveling or if I am doing like a scrapbook retreat, I can bring it with me, handy, easy for my small dies. And I am just so happy with all the products that Team Halls always release. And let's go ahead and open these. And we are also going to try it and see how everything looks like, okay? Oh wow, look at that. It's just like a tiny little mini Big Shot. It's cute. It's super cute. So in the box, it comes with the Sizzix machine, some of the stamps, metal dies, and these frame list stamps, instruction manual, texture fades, and the manual. I don't see any manual here. Oh, here's the manual. Here is the manual, how to use it. And it's just like so cute. So we are going to try. Let's take a look at these mini tags. How cute. And the stamp. These and these and these. So let's go ahead and bring some of the I wonder what is this thing here like that. Let's bring, oh, so these is, it's like almost like a suction where you put it on there, you swivel to down, and then it won't move. How cute. Okay, so let's come closer. So I have my little piece of paper. So this paper is, how big is it? Is 3.5 by 2.5, so that's the size. I have to use a washi tape now, like that. So this is how we do it. Goes to the other side. And here we go. Got this nice little tag, very cute. So I read a couple of reviews on these. So the clue is just to always have the top plate, and this will be my bottom plate. Okay, so I want to do another one, and I'm just gonna cut these really short. want to do another tag. And by the way, I'm using the Catterday paper collection from Little Hot Tamale. There we go. So I have to like, okay. And here's the other tag. So as you can see, it cuts really nice. I love the way it cut the tags, and I'm very happy with the purchase. And this is it. So this is the review of the Sizzix. Will I recommend you buying this tool? Yes. Yes, if you have like smaller dies or like this size of dies too, it will fit perfectly. And definitely it's a very nice tool to have if you are traveling or if you are going to crops and you're just, you know, using really small dies. This is the right tool for you. I'm going to leave the link of the tool in the description box below. And again, if you like this video, just don't forget to give the thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family, and if you haven't done so and would like to continue watching these type of videos, just don't forget to click the subscribe button and to tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.